In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Cursor AI and Claude Code to replace Replit. To begin, head over to Replit. This is where we're starting the process, and even though the goal is to move toward a Cursor AI and Claude Code style workflow, Replit can still be useful as a quick starting point for creating a simple project space. Once the site loads, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. That sidebar is where you'll find the main navigation options you need. From there, click on Import Code or Design. This option lets you start a project in a more flexible way, which is helpful when you're not choosing a pre-built template. After that opens, select Empty. Choosing an empty setup gives you a clean workspace without any extra files or configurations you may not need. That's especially useful if you want more control over what gets added to the project from the beginning. Next, click Create Empty Project. Replit will now generate a blank project for you. Give it a moment to load, and once you're inside the empty project, you'll be looking at a fresh development environment. Starting from a blank project is a good idea here because it keeps things simple and avoids unnecessary clutter, which makes the setup easier to follow. Now that you're inside the project, move to the chat box on the left-hand side and paste in the Claude code. Make sure you place it directly into the chat area so Replit can interpret it as a prompt. This is the key part of the workflow because instead of manually building everything from scratch, you're using AI-assisted instructions to generate what you need much faster. Once you paste the Claude code into the chat box, Replit should begin processing the prompt almost instantly. In most cases, it will respond right away and start generating the requested output. If it takes a few extra seconds, that's normal, especially depending on the size or complexity of the prompt. The main thing is to let it finish before making additional changes so you can clearly see the result. That's the full setup process shown here. The idea is to create a blank workspace, use the chat panel strategically, and let the AI handle the heavy lifting. If you're following along, take your time at each screen and make sure you're clicking the exact options in order. A clean setup at the beginning usually leads to a smoother experience afterward.